Introducing WANGO and WANGO-TREND from besttradingsignals.net. Right? These are two new systems and two new signal services. Actually, they're two signal services in one. And we have a special here. We're just doing $50 a month for these signals. All right. Now, why? Well, in part, they're trading the weekly bars, so they're a lot slower. We don't expect a lot of people to have the mindset or the patience or the smarts to sign up in these types of signals, okay? Because these days people want faster. It's anyways, they don't have the perspective. Maybe they think the world's going to end, so they just want day by day, and okay, cool, fine. But there can be that thought at any time in history, right? Now, yes, there are some time cycles going on, like super major ones right now, but you don't know your own personal time. So if you're going to be worrying about all these things all the time, you're not going to do the things to build wealth. You're not going to invest. You're not going to methodically build out a systems trading plan over time. You're not going to build out goals that involve strategy trading over time so you can consistently build an account. So people who are always fearful about tomorrow end up what? Yeah, broke. Okay? People are worried about money, who talks about that a lot. Anyways, if you're focused on not having enough money, that's what you're going to get. Okay, I think, who said that? I think The Secret, I think that lady from, I was listening to that Secret audio way back when, and some interesting things. Don't need to get mystical about it, just think logically. If you're focused on something, you're going to be thinking about it a lot, right? So if you're thinking about it a lot in association to being positive, then you're gonna want it more, right? You're gonna get more and more excited the more you think about this positive thing, and you're gonna increase your desire, and you're gonna tend to start to do actions to get this thing, make this thing happen, either consciously or subconsciously. And a lot of people don't consider what their subconscious does. And maybe they haven't learned enough in life or observed their subconscious actions and reactions and their habits, or ask questions why certain people do certain things over and over that are good or bad, or why they do certain things over and over that are good or bad. And so they don't look into these things. Anyways, I'm way off topic here, but let's get back to WANGO. So it's a weekly bar. We get in the first WANGO here. We get in on the Friday before the close, and then we get out the next Friday. Okay. So it's a 1 bar pop, and the bar is a weekly bar, so that 1 bar pop takes a week. And why? Again, it's a method of trading where you know your exit before you enter. That takes out a ton of stress in trading. It also allows you to be way more time efficient. Okay, we have a stop loss set in place. Yes, so we're not going, roll the dice here. So we have a stop. All trading is in part rolling the dice because you don't totally know what's going to happen. You can have a good high probability position, and you can have this sense of knowing what's going to happen, but there's no 100% chance that something will happen. Okay. Anyways, before I go off on that topic, so you have WANGO-TREND. This is not a 1-bar pop. We will be in trades as long as the marketplace is going to keep giving us money. All right, so we get in off of 2 different high probability entry scenarios, and we ride the trend with our mix of trail stop concepts in addition to profit targets, okay? Because a lot of the times these types of moves will accelerate to a point, and we want to capture it at these extreme types of points and lock in those bigger profits. Right? Sound good? Okay, so you can see in the logos here, we have stocks, options, ETFs, Forex, and E-minis. Now, in terms of signals, we're going to offer whatever's on this page, and we may add more later. Now, I'm just making this video at the start of the offering of these signals. So on this page, you may only see a few things, and we'll add to them. Now, you can buy these 2 in 1 package as a system, and you can use this as a system for life to generate your own trading signals. All right. All right. What do we have here? Here's some Caterpillar. Why do we have Caterpillar all the time? Well, because when we have at least 1 stock for a performance record on all these different signals, then you have a constant. Okay, you have a specific asset that's the same, so you can compare and contrast the different signals, services, or the different systems, or rather the different systems behind the signals service. So you can get a picture of why that system is different than another. All these systems are different, all right? Every one of our systems on all of our sites, Options Trading Authority, Options Weekly Paychecks, Binary Options Authority, E-mini Trading Authority, and then we go into the Smart Binary Options Trading, Smart Binary Options Trading, then we move the Binary Ultra over to Online Trading Elite. Yeah. And we have Options Trading Elite. So the Authority and the Elite, these are just brand names. Now, why do we say Authority? Because someone says way back, you need to develop an Authority brand. So I said, okay, bink, we'll just put it in the domain name, all right? So then we try to live up to it. But in terms of authority, I mean, we got to do a lot more marketing. We hardly have done any marketing over the years. Been mostly focused on systems development, okay, and testing, which is good for you. That's what you want us to do. Instead of, so many of these trading offerings out there, they're focused on marketing. Who knows what they have for a system? A lot of these marketers say, oh, the product doesn't matter, okay? Or in that case, the trading system doesn't matter. What matters is whatever is going to convert for a sale, all right? And not give you trouble afterwards, as in being drastically different from the sales price. That doesn't vibe and jive with me. It's a little slimy, we want to make successful students. That's what we're focused on, and we're just going to have to get off our duffs and channel some focus on doing these marketing things again. Okay, anyways, and me blabbering on the videos and marketing is maybe it can be considered marketing. Hey, we're doing some marketing, but just sticking a video up on YouTube, I don't know, you call that marketing? I don't know. Anyways, here's WANGO, and it looks like we're missing the trend version. Trend version just crushes it. Okay, here, these are weekly bar trades. So you can see here, this is designed to be extremely laid back and lazy, all right? So if we can make a lot of money with a few minutes a week, that's super leverage. Because if you can leverage your time and then make a lot of profits, then there you go. So we need to, what's this, the July 31st? Okay, we're already, 2023 is over right now. We'll have to tune these things up, but I wanted to get this picture out here to show you this is something like this is available. Okay, Caterpillar making almost 200 points in 2022 based off of trading weekly bars is extremely valuable. Okay, because if it's only going to take I mean, literally, what are you going to do? On Friday, you have a trade, you're going to log in, you enter at the market, okay? You can place your stop loss or you can use a price alert. Say ding, 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 get out. You can use a contingent order to put your stop loss as a price trigger order. Your broker better have it or get a new broker for options. For this, with a stock, you know, it's easy. Just use a regular stop loss. Forex, same thing. E-minis. Okay. And if your broker has contingent orders for stop losses, that's even better because that stop loss is not sent down to the exchange. So the mischievous players can't go gun your stops. You disgusting people. Okay, so you have here 2023, and we're already at 123 points. And the rest of 2023 is pretty good on Caterpillar, so should be similar. All right, this is really, really good. That's really, 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 really good because, again, you get in on Friday, takes a few minutes, then by Friday close, you can use a contingent order to get you out automatically by a time-based order. Or, you know, we send you the alert. Well, actually, we don't send an alert on the exit, just next Friday. And you just log in, you sell to close that market. That's it. That takes what? Depends on the speed of your internet, I guess. A minute, 2 minutes. That's it. Now, WANGO trends, we'll have to make some more videos here. But anyways, WANGO trend is exciting, okay? I mean, if you're looking to make some home run trades with a little bit more concentrated of a position, now just a little, you whippersnappers out there, okay, you young guys, I'm thinking of my own youth, just a little bit bigger. Okay, so we can take the bigger moves here and these with options, and I mean, just hit it out of the park. Remember, these are 1 week duration trades here, and we just get out, lock it in, lock it in. That's why you'll see some of these weeks hit the doozies because it's the range of the prior week's bar. All right, but what we need to look at with all trading and all business is the net out over a series of trades, say every 10 trades, and then a series of trades over 3 months, series of trades over a whole year. And this is what we can get. Then that's amazing. We just have to, get our position size accordingly. We need to set our position size so it can well handle any sort of doozy weeks, so you can net out profits. Okay, so you want to look at the losing weeks versus the winning weeks and get an assessment to a position size. Okay, I've talked too much on this one, running out of time. Thank you. So check out the link below if you're on YouTube, and if you're on this page, then, well, you're here. Contact us with any questions. Link is at the top menu. Thanks.